How to find saved reels on Instagram. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Now let's get started. Open your Instagram app. Make sure you have already logged into your Instagram account. You will land to the home page. Now at the bottom you will find different icons. Head towards this reel icon. Now over here you're gonna find different reels. Firstly, I'm gonna save the reel. For now, I'm gonna save this one reel to show you guys where to find it. So in order to save the reel, you have to tap on the three dots, tap on save. After you save the reel, you can go to your profile, tap on the profile icon given at the bottom right corner. After you land to your profile, at the top right corner you can find three bars, tap on it. With that, different options will appear. Now go to this option of saved. Tap on this option of all post. Now tap on this reel icon. With that, you're gonna find all of the reels that you have saved in your Instagram account. So this is how you can easily find saved reels on Instagram. This was really simple and quick process. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.